This is your Weather Extreme video for Saturday, November the 10th. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters, and I hope that you're at Storm Alert Extreme this morning. The Storm Alert Extreme will be from 9 to about 2:30 or 3. Hope to see you there, and you get free admission to the auto show afterward. High pressure is centered over the Carolinas this morning, and that is keeping the weather just absolutely gorgeous across central Alabama. Look for a wonderful day today as we see plenty of sunshine and highs climbing into the lower 70s. In the upper atmosphere, we're dealing with a fairly strong ridge and a pretty big trough, and that trough out over the western U.S. is the one that's going to be bringing us some weather later, probably on late Sunday night and into Monday during the day. And some colder weather, too. This morning, temperatures generally in the northeast Alabama area are in the lower 30s, but for the rest of us, it's mostly around 40 at the insane hour of 5 a.m. QPF-wise, we're looking at, of course, the front approaching and coming through here on Monday, and as it does, it's going to drop some rain. Looks like most of the rain will be in Arkansas and Missouri, but for us, it looks like on the order of a half inch or so, and we could see some thunderstorms. Slight risk for today, day one, out from the western Oklahoma area up across parts of Kansas and southeastern Nebraska into western Iowa. On day two, that area shifts over into Arkansas and the northeast Texas area. And then on day three, we see thunderstorms, which this is Monday, across the southeastern U.S., but at the moment, no organized severe thunderstorms are forecast. And in the tropics, things are still quiet. However, we're watching an area way out near the Cape Verde Islands, and that area not likely to develop into anything. All right, there's 06Z GFS model run this morning, and this is the upper air pattern for tomorrow. So this is the 36-hour forecast based on that 06Z run, and you can see the trough coming our way. By Monday, the trough is certainly into the central part of the United States, stretching from the Great Lakes area down into Arkansas. And with that, of course, comes the front. And so it's going to depend on exactly the timing of the front, but it looks like with the front's position based on the GFS, and by the way, the European are in very good agreement. But based on this timing, it looks like Monday is going to be one of those days where we just don't see much change in temperature. As a matter of fact, our highs could occur at midnight on Monday, and then during the day, we may see temperatures actually falling. By Tuesday, the front is by, and surface high pressure settles in from the Ohio River Valley. That surface high moves off to the northeast, but it keeps its influence felt across the southeastern U.S. We see that high still influencing our weather on Thursday. And even into Friday, we're going to be doing just fine. However, we're beginning to see an upper-level disturbance coming out of the Rockies, and that could be bringing a front to us over the weekend, but right now it looks like on Friday anyway, things are in great shape. Then on Saturday, that trough comes across into Illinois, and as it does, it's going to drag the front down. Now, it looks like for Saturday, we'll probably see clouds in the morning and some rain by afternoon, but right now it looks like it could be a little bit wet. The European, not quite as aggressive and not quite as fast as the GFS. And quickly going out into voodoo country, and you can see that at the end of the period, this is the 25th, just after Thanksgiving, and indeed we're back under a ridge, so no signs of anything extreme going on across the vast fruited plain of the United States. Well, thanks for tuning in to the Weather Extreme video. I expect to have the next one posted on Sunday morning. I hope in the meantime that your weekend is great, and hope to see you at Storm Alert Extreme.
Thank you for trusting us to be your #1 source for news
in all of central Alabama.
in back-to-back ratings periods.
More people watched ABC 3340
than any other station in Birmingham.